Lucas was a young boy who loved to draw. He carried his sketchbook everywhere, filling it with pictures of animals, landscapes, and imaginary worlds. Drawing was his escape, especially after his family moved to a new town where he didn't know anyone. At lunch, Lucas noticed a girl named Mia sitting by herself. She looked sad and lonely. Gathering his courage, Lucas walked over to her and asked, "Do you like to draw?" Mia looked up, surprised, and nodded shyly. Lucas handed her his sketchbook and a pencil. "Let's draw together," he said with a smile. From that moment on, Lucas and Mia became inseparable. They spent their days drawing, sharing stories, and supporting each other. As their friendship grew, Lucas noticed that Mia was incredibly talented. Her drawings were full of emotion and beauty. Their art teacher announced a school-wide art competition where the winner's artwork would be displayed in the town's gallery. Lucas knew this was a chance for Mia to shine. He encouraged her to enter, even though she was hesitant. "You have a gift, Mia," Lucas said. "The world needs to see your art." With Lucas's support, Mia entered the competition. She worked tirelessly on her piece, pouring her heart into every stroke. When the day of the competition arrived, the gallery was filled with stunning artwork. But it was Mia's drawing that stood out the most. It depicted a beautiful scene of friendship and hope. Mia won first place. As she stood in front of the crowd, accepting her award, she looked at Lucas and said, "I couldn't have done this without you. Thank you for believing in me." Lucas felt a warmth in his heart, knowing he had made a difference in his friend's life. Their bond grew even stronger, and they continued to create and inspire each other every day. The moral of the story is, encouraging others and believing in their potential can lead to incredible achievements. True friendship is about lifting each other up and helping each other shine.